Have you been searching for the perfect pickup truck with safety and reliability without breaking the bank? We'll take a look at this 2018 Chevrolet Colorado work truck in Kinetic Blue. With automatic headlamps, electronic stability control, 16-inch aluminum wheels, brake assist, rear step bumper, tow package, front bucket seating, 58,000 miles on the odometer, 7-inch touchscreen, rear backup camera, Chevrolet MyLink audio system, split folding rear seats, 3.6-liter V6 engine, and so much more. For additional details or to schedule a test drive, visit us at MarinoCJD.com, stock number 9008A.
A GM certified used vehicle can deliver more satisfaction and certainty than any ordinary used vehicle. With our thorough inspection, GM warranty, free vehicle history report, and more. You can expect it all from a GM certified used vehicle. GM certified means no worries. Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax vehicle history report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax buyback guarantee.